Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Trump media soars 25% as former president hints at holding shares, while Boeing dips amid Moody's downgrade review. Tesla faces lower Q3 delivery and EPS estimates, and short sellers ramp up bets against energy stocks due to falling prices. Ready Capital slashes its quarterly dividend by 16.7%, MicroStrategy invests $1.1 billion in Bitcoin, and Altria goes ex-dividend on Monday. Bitcoin gains momentum with ETF inflows, and Mullen Automotive announces a 1-for-100 reverse stock split. Stay tuned after the short ad break to learn more about these headlines. Trump Media and Technology Group shares surged 25% after Donald Trump announced he won't sell his shares. Despite a 60% drop over 6 months, Trump prefers control of Truth Social. A lockup expiration next week could allow insiders to sell or borrow against their shares.
Boeing shares dropped 4.2% after Moody's put all its ratings under review for downgrade, including the Ba3 senior unsecured rating and P3 commercial paper rating, due to a strike announcement by aircraft mechanics and assemblers. A prolonged strike could significantly affect Boeing's liquidity and recovery efforts.
Analysts are revising Tesla's third-quarter delivery estimates ahead of the October 2nd report. Canaccord now predicts 469,200 vehicles, down from 480,000, while Guggenheim forecasts 456,000. The consensus is 459,000 vehicles. Tesla delivered nearly 444,000 in Q2 and over 435,000 a year ago. Shares dipped to $229.81 pre-market Friday.
Short sellers are increasing bets against S&P 500 oil and gas stocks due to declining crude prices. Short interest in the energy sector rose to 2.13% after 4 months of decline. Crude oil fell 6% in August and another 8% in September. EQT Corporation is the most shorted stock, while ExxonMobil is the least shorted.
Ready Capital has announced a quarterly dividend of 25 cents per share, down 16.7% from the previous 30 cents. The forward yield is nearly 13%. The dividend is payable on October 31st to shareholders recorded by September 30th, with an ex-dividend date of September 30th.
MicroStrategy, listed on the Nasdaq as MSTR, acquired approximately 18,300 bitcoins between August 6 and September 12 for about $1.11 billion in cash at an average price of around $60,408 per bitcoin. This purchase was funded by selling shares under an agreement dated August 1, 2024. The company now holds roughly 244,800 bitcoins.
Altria has declared a quarterly dividend of $1.20 per share, payable on October 10th to shareholders recorded by September 16th. The ex-dividend date is September 16th. Despite declining sales, Altria remains attractive with a dividend yield over 7% and a total shareholder yield exceeding 10%.
Bitcoin is expected to rise 10.9% this week, driven by increased ETF inflows despite no new thematic innovations. The cryptocurrency stayed in the $55,000 to $58,000 range amid inflation reports and the U.S. presidential debate. Analysts recommend taking profits due to potential recession risks and market volatility.
Mullen Automotive, listed on Nasdaq, will implement a 1-for-100 reverse stock split of its common stock effective September 17th to comply with the minimum bid price rule. Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Catch you next time with more insights and updates. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.